is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Andrew Capital. I want to appreciate you guys. Thank you for all the subs and the likes. We have officially hit 1K followers, so I love each and every one of you. Everyone that's commented, liked, subscribed. I appreciate you guys so much. I do this because I have such a passion for coaching and teaching. And yeah, so let's get into today's recap real quick. So we're going to do a little bit of top-down analysis on what my bias was today. So if we look at the daily, right, how do you get your daily bias? Well, if we look at the most recent price push and swing, the major swing is this big bullish run, right? So if we take a PD GAN box and we kind of run it from the low to the high here, we know that anything above 50% is in a premium, and the under 50% is in a discount. Price wants to come back to a discount before it goes back to a premium, before it goes back to a discount, before it goes back to a premium, and it repeats over and over. Okay. So off of the daily swing up, bullish move, we're in a premium. Okay. If we go to the most recent, the last down candle was here into this push, into this bullish candle. So we're in a premium. So we want to look for an array below 50% in a discount. Our first one that we see here is the form of equal lows. So before Wednesday happened here, okay, this is what it looked like the previous day. I was looking at market. If you notice here, we have this low here on April 6th, and then this low on Tuesday. And what do we have here? Relatively equal lows. Okay. ICT teaches relatively equal lows is suspect. There's going to be a run on liquidity. That's our closest sell stops or sell side. What else do we have? Well, in a discount, we have this daily fair value gap or imbalance. So my bias is bearish. Market is going to want to reach for liquidity down here. Okay. So that being said, coming into today, right? Let's get out of replay mode. Coming into today, I was bearish. So drop down to the 1 minute, and we come into my favorite time of day, the 10 a.m. to 11. Okay, this is my trade window. Some people call it the silver bullet. It's a silver bullet window in the setup. Okay, so we know that we're bearish. Now, when I came to the market around 9:30, I seen that we were just kind of ranging in this consolidation, right? We're just collecting liquidity here. It didn't make any run up or down. I also noticed this big fair value gap at 922. So if we move this forward, price action is telling me it's respecting this fair value gap, right? All of these body closures are within this fair value gap, and we are respecting it, okay? Bunch of times. So that being said, I was waiting, and my bias is bearish, confirmed by this creating real resistance. So all I did was wait for my 10 o'clock to come around, and what do we get? We have this swing low, okay? We have a low, lower low, higher low, okay? That is your swing low, this swing low, okay? So once Once price breaks this structure in the form of a candle body closure, that is your market structure shift or your break of structure. Now, this breaks, creating displacement in the form of this fair value gap. Okay, so we have real resistance being created. Our bias is bearish. We have a market structure shift with a fair value gap inside of our time window. Price comes back in, and at this time, I'm in, right? I put a five point or 5 handle stop, and I targeted 10 handles. And we also had sell side over here in the form of these equal lows here, right? And this small order block here. Go back here. This red line is our low from the daily on April 6th. And if we come down here, this is our fair value gap from the daily. Okay, so all I did was target a 1 to 2, and I was done for the day. I got in. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes, and I made 1%. Right? I risked 0.5%, and I made 1% for the day, and I was done for the day. Okay. Now, you could have caught the reversal, but this is a little tricky. Okay. A little bit trickier to come in here and catch this fair value gap and run on buy stops. Okay. There is another setup in the afternoon for the PM session. Okay. So ICT calls this the last hour of trading. All right. So the last hour of trading is from 3 to 4. Okay. So from 3 to 4, we have a move that happens to end the day. So for me, you want to wait for liquidity to be ran, a shift in market structure, displacement, fair value gap entry. Now, today was a little tricky. I didn't take this, but I'm doing this in hindsight to show that 9 times out of 10, this happens at the end of the day. Now, why would we be looking for buys? Because we're underneath midnight opening price, which is this price here is my purple dashed line. This is the opening candle price at midnight for this day. And so since we're underneath it, price is going to want to gravitate back up towards it. Okay. So you see here, we have one more last ditch effort to the end of the day for sell side is ran here, consolidated, to sell side one more time here. We get this break of market structure here, displacement, fair value gap entry here off into this wick, and you get another 10 points in the afternoon, risking 5, right? Virtually no drawdown straight to take profit within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 minutes. Okay. The entry happens right at 4 o'clock. So it's literally the end of the day. Now, another concept we have here is a breaker. Okay. We have a bullish breaker, which could have been another entry confirmation that acts as real support. Once we trade above it, come back in, and we push and launched off of that. Some of you may know what that is. Some of you might not. If you want more in-depth learning, go ahead and click the link below, right? You don't have to, and I don't need you to sign up. But if you're looking for more one-on-one mentorship, coaching, help with a trading plan, risk management, psychology, someone to answer questions for you that is profitable. I'm funded through my Forex funds. I can show you certificates. I can show you today's win. Click the link below. I'm only doing the first 50 people for a one-time price. It's a one-time payment, lifetime. After May 5th, I'm going to be bumping it up to a monthly subscription, and the price is going to increase. So don't miss out the first 50 people. Click the link, get the mentorship. We're going to do market reviews. There's a bunch of knowledge in there. There's $10,000 worth of free uh, knowledge in there, audio books, you name it. So there's tons of value in there, more one-on-one coaching and mentorship. So just let me know if that's anything or if that's something you guys would be interested in. So until next time, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, comment below any questions you have, if this gave you any help or knowledge or any nuggets of wisdom that you didn't know before. And until next time, guys, good luck and trade safe.